Hi, this is Mrs. Donkersgoed, and I just wanted to talk for a few minutes about how you can help your student be successful and how I can help them. We can work together as a team so that they can do well in math and have a good understanding. First of all, the main thing is to make sure they're doing their assignments. And if a student is absent and needs some help, they miss some concepts, or they're in quarantine, one way that you can find out what they're missing is check Skyward and see what um, they have incomplete. And then you can go to the Canvas course, whether it's Secondary 1 or Secondary 2 math. We'll click on the unit, whatever unit it's in. We just finished linear and exponential in Secondary 1. But let's just say that you notice that they're missing assignment 29, or they said, I don't really know how to do number 29. So if you click on this unit, it will take you to everything we did in class that day. They'll have to print out the warm-up and make that up. The blank notes they'll print out, and the assignment they'll print out. Now, if you don't have a printer at home and that's a concern, I always put a copy of each of the papers in a student folder. And all you need to do, you or your student can email me. I will get those sent to the front office and someone can pick them up. But they will print out the warm-up and complete it. The blank notes they'll print out, and then they will watch the lesson to fill that in. Also, if they just didn't quite understand the lesson and need to go over it again, or if you want to watch it to kind of help your student, you can click on this link. It will take you to a video that will go through the notes step by step. It's me teaching the lesson. So they can go through it, they can change it and do it at a slower speed, just to make sure they're understanding. Okay, also, if you notice down here, it says that there's some extra help in the book. It'll tell which pages, because each student has a book for both courses, and there's some extra sample videos that they can do. So the main thing is just making sure that they are staying on top of their assignments, because it is really good practice for what we're going to be having on our assessments. If your student needs one-on-one help, there is time available after school. They can stay and get help. We have a math lab on Tuesdays and Thursdays after school in the math department, or they're welcome to stay and get help from me. Sometimes I'll call students in if they're getting behind. I'll call them in and assign them to come in and get help. So that's another thing that can happen. But please feel free to email me if you have any concerns or if there's anything I can do to help your student be successful. Thank you.